Do you have a?
What do you got there?
So this is a it's a cockerel broiler chicken. We use this. This is, how old is this, guys? Class? 8 days? 9? No, it's 10 days.
It's
10 days old. This is a 10-day-old chick. We got this when it was 1 ounce. And how much is it weighing now, Bethany?
9.7 ounces.
9.7 ounces. So they gain almost an ounce or more a day. We'll have these for about another 4 weeks, and then we will process them. They'll be about 6 pounds. We have 100 chickens in here right now, and we will take them to Fowlerville for a poultry contest. The students are all in charge of doing chores. They weigh them every day and figure out the feed consumption and see if we're competing in the industry standards. So this is a cockerel. This is meat bird. It is not a layer, so we use this primary for meat.
I just zoned out.